2 or 3 in the morning or something like that on May the 10th, 2020. You know, it's been spring for quite some time now. We've had some warm weather, but right now there is snow on the ground. Don't believe me? Look at this. My hair is probably a gigantic mess. My life is a gigantic mess. And right now, the world during this pandemic is a giant mess. Right now, it's supposed to be spring here in Canada. We're supposed to be feeling the gradually warming weather to summer. But we are dealing with a casual snowstorm. So it's been about 12 days, or roughly 2 weeks, since I recorded those clips on May 10th. It's now May 22nd. It's a Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you're doing well during this pandemic. I know that some of you may still be off school, off of work, at home, or maybe you've returned to work. Maybe you were an essential worker and you had to be there the whole time. Regardless, it's now beginning to look like the clips that you saw in the beginning of this little edit. It's looking beautiful, feeling beautiful. Despite all of the challenges that have hit us this year, I hope that you're persevering, getting through, making goals, being a better human being, and I'll see you very, very soon. The content coming will blow your fucking mind. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, whatever this is.